live. Posting. Give you the link. I give you the link.
Yes, please do. Here we go, Arnaud there.
I give you the link.
Yes, please do. Here we go, Arnaud there. Here we go, here we go. It's a satellite radio. Wait, let me check the voice. Actually say something on.
Check. Voice check. Voice good. Hello everyone.
Wait, let me check the
Test.
voice. Actually say something on.
Check. Voice check.
Yep, voice check. Voice check. Very good there. Very good there. Crispy voice of Arnaud. I need to turn off the telegrams. Else it's gonna be too annoying. But I won't turn off the uTorrent. I need to keep on downloading the video of trading tiers. Traders tiers videos, you know. I mean, today in crypto it felt like one of those meme videos on YouTube. It's like close all your positions or something, because the guy is like, oh, I told you the bear market is coming. I told you.
Yeah,
What
sure.
a day indeed. Wait, no Classic David? You know the market is back when there's no Classic David waiting us for the message. But we actually got the old fourth trader Yakov in here asking me, should I buy now? And I'm gonna tell you, get the heck out of here, man. You know where to buy. You don't need me to tell you. But yeah, but if you're already here, Yakov, let me look at this shit, man. Look at this. Look at this. Good thing we stopped trading in BitMEX, right? Because look at that shit. That shit would have liquidated Victus. Liquidate. But, I mean, shit, Binance. Luckily we trade on Binance, my boys. Bam. We actually survived. Bam. So yeah, I mean, actually, too bad this happened before our stream, right? But yeah, I mean, the positions that we barely filled on Bitcoin. I mean, this is not something that we haven't talked about in the past already. I mean, we did, right? So we already talked about in this area many times, from 34K all the way down to 32, to a little bit under, right? With the stop loss beneath the low. And this right now was a super sniper. I mean, it wasn't exactly a super sniper, but it definitely filled our entire area and didn't stop us. So I'm gonna say pretty successful nonetheless. But I gotta say, right, the chart, the short from 59,500 is definitely a good one. But we didn't use Binance chart for that one. Which chart did we use? Did I? Oh yeah, this was the one. Yeah. Oh wait, actually no, that's Ethereum chart. I gotta say, oh yeah, this is the chart I'm looking for. But again, BitMEX, you can see it overreacted a little bit more than Binance. For the first time, Binance was actually more friendly, right? More friendly. So the short number one, right, the two, we were waiting for that 55K, never got it, sadly. But yeah, right now buy, and I'm gonna be waiting for another short, about 45K, something like this. It's gonna be another short. But let's just do a little bit of analysis right now. Okay, so let's just see what actually happened before we dive in that deep. So yeah. First, I would like to say, guys, that if you remember the meme, the thing that we did for fun, I literally said, okay, so for the guys who don't remember, we basically said in 2017, when Bitcoin stopped and when Bitcoin lost its first weekly level. Wait, let me see. When Bitcoin lost its first weekly level, right, on 18, we still pumped on Ethereum for 3 to 4 more weeks, or Ethereum went up for how much did I say? 87%, right? Wait, is this chart even long enough? Oh yeah, it went up for 87%. You can see it continued pumping for about, wait, that was 18th of December, so around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 4 weeks before it started dumping, you know? So, and by the time that Bitcoin lost it, it pumped for 87%. So we did this here for fun. So this green line represents where the Bitcoin first lost a weekly level, and this is how long we've been pumping, right? So about roughly 3 to 4 weeks again. And look at that. Hit it. We hit it with the sniper with the most unrealistic bullshit I'm gonna say with this, right? I mean, we literally did what 2017 did, and it was a pure sniper from that point. That's just unbelievable, to be honest. That's just unbelievable, dude. And that's probably the biggest meme. Like, I'm not saying that I took any trade off of this, because obviously I haven't, right? But I'm just saying this is just a big fat meme when it comes to this. And it's kind of funny, but now you can actually see how price action really respects the past when it comes to crypto and anything. And if this is something like, look at this, right? So this year, apparently, we've gotten tens of thousands of, or maybe, sorry, not tens of thousands, but maybe thousands of new, institutions in crypto. And I don't know, big boys, institutions, billionaires, blah, 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 right? Buying. And look at that. Exactly the same thing happened. Exactly the same thing happened as in 2017. And I actually find this extremely funny, to be honest with you. Okay. Given at that, okay, I'm gonna say like this. So definitely we already lost big time, like we discussed. This was the whole basis of our short. We lost a big swing point with this breakdown on weekly. This is why we absolutely had to short. Then we had another weekly breakdown. Breakdown of, kind of closing underneath this. It's a bad again. And right now this is sort of what we can, I'm gonna say, I can now with 80% certainty confirm that this is probably bear market, right? This is probably a bear market, because not only did we lose 2 of the weekly levels, now we are about to lose a 3rd one, and 3 weekly levels. That's almost a monthly level, to be honest, right? So let's just see how that one looks. And with the monthly level, I can safely probably say that we are done on Bitcoin for a little bit of while. And now it's just see which levels are gonna hold. So our first number 1 level of being long is already, as was stated before, we mentioned this level a lot of times, right? I mean, there's no secrecy to this level. So what I'm expecting now, or what I want to see, is actually that pullback to 45k, right? That's the thing where I'm going to be looking at short. Now, the thing is, I still haven't decided yet. We'll see in the price action of a couple of days if I'm going to go for knife catching this short, or if I'm going to have a little bit of a better approach of, waiting it to break down a lower time frame and then actually entering. Because during the times like this, sometimes I do feel you got to be a little bit aggressive, right? You do have to be a little bit aggressive. Then if that point fails, I'm going to be waiting for that 55k, right? That 55k up here. Wait, I'm going to move this box a little bit up now from this chart. Wait, 55k around here. Yeah, I'm going to be waiting for this one. And if this one breaks, we obviously continue with the bull market, right? But this is what my plan is. So I'm going to be now stacking these longs, and I'm going to be selling one at this point, one at this point. Of course, also be looking for short. Here is where I'm mostly not gonna knife catch a short. Here is where I'm going to knife catch a short. So what that means, I'm gonna set the short in advance. And if it breaks here on my last profit take and short, if it breaks it, I get stopped on my short, and I'm just gonna refill a long position. So that's basically gonna be the best kind of scenario that you can get right now. So 55k is probably gonna be a little bit of a stretch at this point. But this is what you kind of want now. Prior to 2017, you kind of want to get that 17k pullback, right? Again, if you go back, what I'm looking for is wait, where is that again? Are we on the right chart? Logarit, yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm looking at, right? When it breaks down, get that pullback. This is where you sell point and short point, and then breaks down, right? That's obviously what I'm trying to, in this case, sort of look for. And yeah, hopefully I'm gonna get something like this, because this closure right here is gonna look bad for sure if it closes underneath here. Like, that's a very big level loss. And I do think if you close underneath here, you're quite 80% plus bearish. But if you go above this, I'm still shorting 55k. I'm gonna short 55k regardless of the close. Let's put it that way, because 55k at this point in time would be stupid to not hedge, And I'm literally gonna use the word stupid. This is the most obvious spot to short right now. The most obvious spot. And even if you get wrecked, I just don't give a shit, because a spot like this will mostly gain you so much profit. Again, if you remember, look at it, 59.5k short. Look how much reward that was against the loss, right? If you look at it from the top, it was like 9%, even less than that because the stop loss was a little bit under the week. And now look at the main level was like 25%, and the main level was like 45%. You can see the risk to reward ratio is absolutely insane. And this is some of the trades you have to take, even if you consider you're having less than 50% chance of ratio of actually winning those trades, you still, a risk to reward ratio like this is still worth of taking, right? So so it's definitely beautiful, to be honest. Yeah, so yeah, Bitcoin, I'm gonna say it's a little bit low-key fucked, you know, low-key, I'm gonna say like that. And we got like 4 days left, right? 4 days left on a weekly close. So yeah, maybe I hope you guys didn't miss too much. No, we didn't have stream last night, but I was just extremely busy last night, so I moved it to today. Maybe that was the best idea after all, but I still hope you guys took the levels, because about these levels we talked about a lot. Some of the most obvious levels in the next future, again, maybe I should do this on Binance charts now, because looks like the Binance charts were actually more respectable at this point. Let me see. Okay, so the most obvious level, guys, that I'm gonna knife catch on this way down, right? The most obvious one is gonna be this. So we are talking about a 20k level. This is the most obvious level you can obviously get on this chart, entire chart. This is the mainest level on entire chart. This is the one. And I see you here, Kim. I see you, Gifu. Yes, and I'll tell you, yes, you can knife catch this one. You can do it, man. You can knife catch this one. You have my permission to do so. Yeah, this is the most obvious level you can get at this. If you can, and when it's gonna finally hit that one, oh man, that's probably gonna have a juicy reaction for us too. But you can see there's one rule if you're already looking at it like this. Even though, yes, you can see we went up fast as fuck, boys, you could say. Maybe I shouldn't curse, but okay. Look at how fast we broke down. Again, even though we went up so fast, look how fast we actually broke down 50%. Extremely fast, right? A lot faster than what we went up. And this is kind of that main rule that I have in crypto for like many years right now. The faster it goes up, the faster it usually comes even down. And this again confirms this rule, right? We did something similar. We did something similar here. You know, we were going up quite fast, and then look at that breakdown just happened a lot quicker than that. And again, you're going up real fast, and now look at that breakdown, 50% lost in like what, 4 days, something like that. I mean, it was really fast. Let me see. Yeah, a little bit more, maybe a week. Let me see, maybe a week. Yeah, a week, 7 days. Look at that, lost 50% almost, right? So yeah, you can see that the rule still begs when it comes to crypto. So yeah, now it's time to protect your positions. So let's see what people are saying. Hello, Ildon, Yusef. Hey, crazy day, man. Yeah, I saw gas on Ethereum actually went all the way up to 1,000 Gray today. So if you wanted to do a transaction, it was like what? How much was it? No, like $200, $300? It was something insane like that, right?
Yeah,
to make a transaction. No, 1.4. Yeah, and then Yusuf says no $1.4 in 1 hour. What do you mean 1.4? Oh, sorry. Yusuf said couldn't buy on Binance when Cardano crashed that hard, man. Wasn't even paying attention. Cardano. What I was personally buying. Oh man, that was a good buy spot. Not gonna lie to you. Look at that. That was a really good buy spot. Yeah. Wait, is that actually a level that we had on Cardano? Do I remember this, Bitrex? Oh, look at that, Arnaud. Yep, we actually had that level. This was the level that we had. Look at this shit now. If you remember, this was the level that we were struggling along, right? A lot with it. So this was actually the level that we say, if you gain this level, you're going to go higher, right? And this eventually went higher. But look at this. When you tested the level from the other side, it was actually the same as respectable. Look at that reaction, man. If you feel on this level, that's like quick 40%. Fuck me, dude. That's actually a pretty good buy, dude. You know what I'm saying? That's actually a pretty good buy, so I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. You had a good one there, buddy. You had a good one there, but just unlucky you didn't get it, right? I mean, I know Binance was down, but that's why I mostly do spot buys on Binance, you know, mostly do. But yeah, obviously I do margin as well. But during times like this, you just gotta stick with spot, you know, else it's gonna leave you behind. And still, you know, even though it's spot buy 40%, dude, where are you gonna find 40% just like that, you know? Absolutely sick, my bro. So yeah, sick trade, bro. I mean, obviously, if you filled it, it would be sick, but still, it was good. I mean, your intuition was good at this. You didn't gave in to the fear, so I'm gonna say that's already pretty decent. Hey, Ken Masterist, sorry. Hi there as well. Vio, my hold position got stop loss when it's time to. Well, I'm not sure which hold positions. You gotta give me a little bit more information about that so I can check what hold positions are we actually talking about, right? Because I can't really see. So Kim says Loki from the Avengers did it again. Yeah, that was definitely Loki from the Avengers' fault. Am I right? He tricked us, Arnold. Theodore, yeah. Theodore, send more liquidity. You don't need liquidity, man. Like you got plenty of liquidity. Look at this candle, man. This is insane liquidity. Wait, how much is liquidity in Bitcoin? Oh, look at these candles. This is probably what all the time high liquidity. Okay, it's not all the time high. It's very close though. Wait, still not as big as back then. Wow, interesting. Liquidity was much smaller. Oh yeah, but maybe that's because it's Bitfinex. Probably Binance has a big liquidity, am I right? Oh yeah, Binance almost all the time high for them. Look at that. So yeah, you got plenty of liquidity, man. So yeah, well, Cardano, you sadly missed it, Not gonna lie to you, bro. Cardano was a good fill when our guy up there said, Yusuf said it. That was a good fill. Right now, you definitely missed it, and now you're gonna have to wait for a pullback. Wait, let me go back on it again. Give me a second. 5-minute chart. Yeah, you missed it, man. Yeah, this is gonna break out. If it breaks out now, you definitely missed it. Yeah, I'm sorry about that one. That would be usually the fill spot. You see, that's the line here. But you can already see that you had a pullback. You filled it already. Now you're going higher. So I'm gonna just jump over to the link and actually see what I can do for you there, 4 hourly. So link is one that I forgot again. Oh my gosh. Okay, so link stretched a little bit under. Okay, so if I was trading link, I would be 100% stopped. This is, I'm sure. This has been too big of an overreaction, to be honest. So I would be actually being stopped on this one too. So I'm really surprised link slipped so far. A big whale must have dumped. Holy shit. Yeah, a big whale must have dumped this one. I'm very surprised. This was. They probably did like how much, 40% again, but yeah, I mean that would be too deep. Yeah, 15%. I would definitely stopped. Would be probably stopped around the bottom. Wait, is that a minute candle? Let's see if a tap trader would save us. Yeah, probably wouldn't save that. Nope. Would probably sell around here. I'll probably sell around here. So I would be sell on the bottom by my stop loss, about 8 to 7% loss. Yeah. So yeah, link I would definitely be stopped out. Wait, let me see what I can do. 15-minute again, link. Yeah, that's the same way as Cardano. So the problem what you have right now, I don't want to feel this trade because you're close to rejection points already. You've bounced 40%. Somebody bought down here. You need to know that. So when you see 40%, you're gonna be bet your ass they're gonna be taking profit at 50%, and you're gonna be fucked, bro. So right now, this one link too late, my dude. Too goddamn too late. I mean, at least for a safe trade, let's put it that way. At least for a safe trade, it's too late. Ethereum, man, I've actually, yeah. Let me tell you how I played Ethereum, actually. Ethereum, I got stopped as well. So that was my first trade, Ethereum. Yeah. You guys can all remember this one. That was my first trade. Wait, BitMEX, how far? Okay, so sorry, again, look at BitMEX. Sorry, look at this, guys. BitMEX went to 1.5k, right? Now let's switch to Binance. And look at that, right? 1.9. Okay, so a little bit of story how I played. You can see there are 2 candles here, right? So first candle I had buy at 2.5, 2.4k, as I already stated, right? I had buy right here. So that buy obviously nailed it, right? The first time around. So because I got such a big reaction here already, I put my stop loss to break even. I got stop loss at around here at the middle of the box around for break even. Then I had my next buy. At a very safe position of 1800 around here. That was my buy. And guess what happened? Schluck, got missed. So I am out of ETH position. I do not have any ETH. I do not have any ETH scalp in this position. But I do have Bitcoin. So I said I was filled on Bitcoin. And there was another thing that I traded. and it's your favorite BNB. Now, if you remember, like we were preaching about this area even on YouTube, this is the one to buy. Look at that, bam. This is where I got in BNB. And BNB, and what I'm planning to take it all the way up to 500, a little bit under 500. This is going to be about my sell spot. So this is going to be a pretty nice trade, to be honest, almost 100%er. And I'm pretty certain it's going to go around there, you know. So yeah, even though I don't have any Ethereum, I got sadly missed on it. I got stopped on the first one, sadly got missed on the second one. I still got Bitcoin and BNB, and their Bitcoin are doing great. I also traded one more. Coin. Memepad. Also traded this one. And yeah, also already sold it on this silver resistance right here. And also it was around 40% play. Wait, it was around 19 cents. Oops, no, it was a little bit higher. Sorry, then 21 cents, I think. Yeah, that was around 40%, right? Yeah, around 40%. So yeah, that was also a good play. Yeah. Otherwise, I didn't play that much else. You know, I'm mostly just stable farming in the. Yeah, I mean, I'm mostly just farming in the stable farms, basically with stable coins. So yeah, haven't pulled anymore. I mean, that's been like those 3 trades were risk enough. I'm gonna put it like that, right? Those 3 trades were risk enough. So definitely don't need too much. Okay. Anagwu says, I got filled on XP at one point and no. Okay, let me see what you got there. Okay, that's what I like to see. So you bought some good shit, let me see. Okay, that chart definitely doesn't look great. Wait, you got filled where? 1.96. 1.9. Wow, you got filled at the bottom? Wait, did you take this off from 4-hourly trade? Oh man, you target that one nicely. I'm not a hater at all. Well, you already got it, man. You already got my sell spot right on this chart. So the first profit take, bam, bro. This is the most important area that we target on this coin, even here, right? Back here, and look at that, already reacted back here. So we already probably had this back in April. So this is my number 1 sell spot, number 2 sell spot, bam, you know. So what you're looking at is you're looking at quite a bit of profits here. Oh man, 40%. Nice. Like seeing stuff like this. I feel like I would have been stopped on this one too because it went a little bit under. Actually, let me see how much under went. Is it under 10% stop loss or not? Yeah, I'm not gonna be like, okay, maybe not on this one, because if I used it on Tap Trader, I maybe wouldn't have been stopped, maybe, but yeah, probably would have been. So yeah, so this one, nice trade, man. If you're still in it, definitely hold it till up above. And you can see this is box. You really want to be, so about 40%. Why is that? Like 2.7 dollars, and up there 3.5. Nano, no, that's one I'm interested in. I haven't seen this one in a long while. So this one you bought $5.6. Again, very nice buy area. Is something that would probably stop me because holy shit, it overreacted. You must be having some diamond hands there. Oh my gosh, 17%. So for that one, I would definitely be stopped. Like this one is 100% would have stopped me. Again, this is, yeah, about 40%. Look at this. I mean, all of the alts seem to be doing quite the same thing. So yeah, this is your, this is your spot where I would be selling first position. And that is the spot where I would be selling secondary. So again, if you look at it from this spot, you're looking at about 40%. You're looking at about 80%. Pretty good, man. Pretty good. Wait, if I'm not mistaken, you already dinged the first sell. Oh wait, no, never mind. Sorry, you're coming right up to it. That's a nice 40 quick percent, man, right there. You did a good job, bro. Those are some good areas you bought. You definitely bought from correct areas. You just okay, in this case, I'm gonna say you're lucky that you didn't use stop losses. But it also goes the other way around. You could get severely wrecked because you didn't you didn't go for stop losses, right? So you always gotta think in 2 directions, man. This time the gamble paid off, but it could fuck you in the future. You know what I'm saying? Theodore said, I mean, send liquidity to me. I mean, Theodore, if you want liquidity to buy more, you know, it's not exactly the best. I mean, you might think these are discount prices, but you know, I'm gonna say you could be potentially very wrong in this case. Then can you help me check Cream and Iris? Yes, sure, man. Cream and Iris. Cream number 1. Oh my god, what the fuck happened here? Yep, that's definitely stopped. What the shit, dude? That crashed so hard. 65%. God damn. Yeah, that's definitely that would have wrecked me. Yeah, 100%, man, 100%. Even though this trade was used already here, right? Because that trade was already for this, and this was absolutely perfect, right? If I went for this one again because we gained something to the left side and we gained something to the middle here, I would still be wrecked. And even if I took it from this left side, there's no way I would have taken it all the way down here, right? No way. So again, this one is another one that I would have been wrecked. And right now I'm gonna say how this chart looks like, stay out of it. Because what I'm seeing here is you most likely not gonna hold this and you're gonna go lower. So I'm gonna be saying that you're most likely gonna retest somewhere around here. This is, you're gonna be some retest spot, and probably, let me see a 1 minute chart. Yeah, that would actually make, it actually, no, 1 minute chart, you already retested it, you see. As you went up, you already retested this point. So I'm gonna say, fuck, the point has already been tested. I get your point. Shit, so you might actually not retest that one anymore, my bad. But yeah, still, this is not a beautiful chart. You have a lot better charts. The SXP and SXP and Nano are way better. Looking at this, this looks like pure trash, to be honest. What is the other one? Iris. Okay, Iris hit a little bit differently. Like Iris, okay, that one I would have survived. Again, beautiful bounce of the first level. The next one to conquer is down here. Whoops, a little bit too wide. Yep, that one I would definitely survive with a nice stop loss, tight stop loss, everything. That's beautiful, much more beautiful. So one thing now is you can already reject this point. Let me see, take it off the middle. Yeah, what I'm seeing is, again, you can already reject this point. So that would be my first profit take, and then secondary profit take, and then I would go for a third profit take, which in this case can happen all the way. I'm actually gonna use this box now because I don't need it up there. I'm gonna use this one. So potentially this is way more beautiful than Cream. So oops, what am I doing here? Okay, so first one is 40%, around 48, second one is 80%, and the last one is 160%. So Iris looking way crispier than Cream, because Cream is absolutely dog. Yeah, pretty much it. Wait, actually, I gotta check a little bit Bitcoin dominance. I mean, let's see Bitcoin dominance. Oh boy, Bitcoin dominance had a strong reaction from our level, but nothing is confirmed yet. I'm still gonna say that Bitcoin dominance is gonna hold here. That's not what I was expecting. That's not the only test. I'm gonna say it's gonna happen some more. Bitcoin dominance good. Bitcoin dominance still, I'm gonna expect like a bigger pullback. Let me see, how far are we looking at here? Bam. About 24. That wouldn't be unrealistic. That wouldn't be unrealistic at all, man. So yeah, I'm still gonna expect this to go higher. No, Ethereum, Bitcoin. That's also one we didn't check. Wait, didn't we have a chart written on Ethereum, Bitcoin? Which Coinbase? Nope. Was it Bittrex? Probably. Oh yeah, look at that. Bam. A nice rejection in the area. Look at that. Almost filled the spot. Whoo, shit. Oh no, that was hard crash. Let me go back to Binance actually. Yeah. That hit the spot hard, Arnaud. That hit the spot hard, man. Yep, Ethereum can go far down. No, that was the spot to hold, right? I mean, that was the spot to test. But it didn't quite hit in there. The crash wasn't enough. But honestly, it could still happen. You know, honestly, it could still happen. I mean, Bitcoin dominance now, it definitely has standpoint there. And, you know, judging to what you did here in the weekly in the past, I'm still gonna say, like I said the first time, we are not gonna be mooning through here without a retrace. And again, everything in previous week, everything was set up for a pullback. Like I know we went all through Bitcoin dominance chart, Ethereum, the Ethereum BTC chart, and some other chart, and I said previous week that everything is ready to prepare, and we lost a weekly level, that this looks like it's gonna crash, and exactly we got that pullback, and I'm gonna stick with it, right? Because it is like that. Just all of these main charts were aligned perfectly for that shit to happen, right? So it was just too strong at the end of the day. Alex, you drew a buy zone in dot on 23. I bought it here today. Oh no, I forgot about dot. Ah, oh, Jesus Christ, I forgot about dot, man. God damn. Yep, man. Where did you buy it? Did you buy it like 20 bucks? God damn it. Yeah, that was beautiful. Not gonna lie to you. Damn it, man. Damn it. I forgot about that. Arnaud, I blame you. Yeah, about 40% TP. Shit. I forgot about it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was too concerned with BNB that I forgot about that. Jesus Christ. Well, I mean, you bought it nicely, man. Like, this is your TP now. It's about 40%. Yep, it's about that. You definitely bought it. You definitely bought it good time, bro. Definitely did. Shit. My bad. My bad on this one. I forgot about it to trade it for my own personal. It just all happened too quick. I'm gonna be honest, man. It just all happened too quick. Like, I wasn't exactly 100% ready. Jesus Christ! And I said I was gonna do more of this high time frame, high time frame, big level areas videos previous week, and I didn't really go around it. I was being a little bit lazy, not gonna lie, and I wasn't ready for some of these coins. Could easily make some money on this one as well. That was beautiful, dude. Well, that was, I'll give you that. Okay, yeah, I'm glad at least you took it. I mean, you know, I hate to see him go to waste like that. But yeah, on 23rd of April, huh? I mean, that far back, that's like, yeah, almost a month. What was this? Oh yeah, here. Okay, yeah, definitely. I mean, this is your profit take, and this is your second one, right? That's about it. And then you wait to see where it's gonna go. And actually, the dot, oh man, the dot is, they actually have this thing in 2 days or today or what. They have this big representation, and they're gonna have a lot of speakers and projects that are gonna be participating. They have this big event coming up, which is in 2 days, 1 day, something like that. So actually, you can have even extra push in that one. How did I not think of that? You're doing, yep, that was my bad. I have a fill in my long-term back. I was like, I would like to buy it again. Please can check it out. Phil, yes, sure. Phil must have crashed hard because the chart was shit before. Oh yeah, look at that. So I knew that before I even checked it. The chart was already shit before from Phil, so I knew it's gonna crash, and look at that. Yep, I mean, that was a pretty good buy spot. Fuck. Yeah, that was a pretty good buy spot. But I'm not gonna say if this is in your long-term backs, man, you're gonna have a bad time because this chart looks like dog shit, to be honest. So 40%. So yeah, the TP is the same. TP is around the same for this one. But I'll be damned. I'll be damned if we make it all the way up here. I'll be damned. It's probably not happening. The chart is just too bad, you know. The chart is too bearish. I'm gonna give it like $100 is probably the max. Not even that. I'm gonna give it like $90 is probably the max what the fill is gonna reach, honestly speaking, from this chart. Because on the way down you tested everything. You tested here, you tested here, you tested here. Yeah, this was sort of untested. Okay, I'm maybe close. You tested here. Okay, you could have tested this, but you kind of did here. So yeah, I'm gonna say fill is a pretty shitty chart. A pretty shitty chart. And yes, Fifth, I did talk about Bitcoin already. We did. I would like to buy EPS, TKO. Okay, ICP, I'm gonna tell it like this. ICP is like, stay away from it, you know. You have nothing to the left side. Like, this is ICP right now. This has zero indication of reversal, even on lower time frames yet. Okay, maybe on lower time frames you're starting to get something, but this is still zero indication of reversal. This is nothing you can work with yet. So ICP, I know, I've been asked this question a lot in the past week. ICP is a no-go for me unless it gives you something. It gives you something. This is something that I don't like to. This is something I don't essentially like to trade because this is based on luck. Sorry, this is not based on skill, right? It's based on luck. Okay, I'm gonna say then the next one is lit. Lit. We are not so lit anymore, are we? Okay, that's good. That was a good buy area. I've never seen this coin before. I don't think we ever talked about this coin. Yep, I don't think I even have it on my list. At the watch list. Yeah. Okay, so I've never talked about this coin before, but yeah, that was a good buy. And a pretty good first profit tag, not gonna lie to you. Jesus, dude, that's like 100% right there. Why did you not mention this to me like a month ago, dude? The fuck? Yeah. Man, that's almost as good as BNB trade. I mean, it is probably better than BNB trade. I'm seeing like this. Yeah, I mean, I could potentially already reject this. Wait, let me go here. Around here. But yeah, okay, got it. But this is a very good trade. Let me go down on 15 minutes to find your reversal. Yeah, same shit as before, you know. You already tested a spot you wanted to test. So what you want to do right now is you want to go break this. And then as you break it, you want to retest this. And that would be your fill spot, you know. I cannot give you better advice at the moment, sadly. But yeah, I mean, not bad trade. This one is not bad. We got cake. We like to eat that cake. Holy shit, that was also hit. Okay, this one I would, no, maybe here. I would maybe be stopped. Oh, it looks like the tap trader in this case. This is like, if today isn't a great indication to why I use tap trader, then I don't know what it is. Like every single stop loss of mine would have been hit, but I would have been saved by tap trader. Because look again, it would probably go like a 1% out of my stop loss, and then reverse totally, right? And already go up for 34%. So let me go down on 15 minutes to analysis on this one as well. So I'm gonna make a level right here, because this is not the key level to hold. This is not what you want to hold. Now I'm gonna go on 15 minutes. You probably retested it. Yes, you did, but now you can retest here again. So this is your buy spot for cake, and if you use it and you do a yeah, it's gonna be about 13% stop loss, not gonna lie to you. But profit take is from this spot to this 40%. Still good money, you know what I'm saying? Still good money, about 3 R. That is good money. So cake, go ahead. Cake actually looks good for buy. You can actually do that one, yep. Okay, is the time right now? Not right now, but very soon. I hope you took those prices down. As you can see, that it's around 18 bucks, a little bit more than $18, right? So that's the price for you. Ilduin, again, good job on buying that dot, man. You definitely did good one. When ADA was $1.05, I sold all my Bitcoin and other coin and went 100% on ADA. If I sell back now to Bitcoin, I will get 15%. Oh shit, that's good, man. That's good. I don't think you have to though yet. Wait, sorry, I gotta go then check ADA BTC because you're trading against the BTC. Oh man. Oh man, you're already at profit take. You already hit the profit take on Bitcoin. This could potentially be the top for ADA. Oh wait, that's a very strong close in. Huh. Bitcoin wise, you're here. Well, I didn't lose. Wait, let me see a weekly chart. Okay, I didn't lose anything significant. You still remained above this. Very tough spot, I'm gonna say, man. A very tough spot. If you hold this, well, if you hold this green box, you could continue. If you go above this green box and you hold it, you can continue. So maybe there is money to be made against Bitcoin as well. But against USDT, if you want to just know about USDT, you still got ways to go on Cardano. You got ways to go, man. You just hit around your first TP and wait. You filled it 0.5, yeah. So you're about on first TP, right? Yeah, you are on first TP right now. And then the secondary is like 100%. So yeah, almost 100% trade. So pretty good, man, pretty good. What do you think about XRP? XRP. Oh boy, XRP, huh? Looks like absolute dog shite. Yeah, you're doing the kind of same thing. You're losing the swing points. Oh man, I guess hold this and then TP this. That's probably the best thing you can do on this shit right now. You gotta go out here. I mean, you gotta at least go out with something here you can hold. Actually, let me check XRP Bitcoin. Oh well, that's not too bad. Well, against Bitcoin, it's still looking great. Against Bitcoin, you could actually test high. Oh yeah, against Bitcoin, you could actually test high still. So maybe against Bitcoin, sorry, you're not that bad, Kim. You could actually still hold it against Bitcoin. Actually, no, this reminds me. Let me check my best trade yet. My Litecoin. How are we doing here, buddy? Are you going up, Litecoin? Yes, Litecoin. Crisis averted, guys. We can still go. Yep. We can still go all the way to up here on Litecoin against Bitcoin. Please make it happen, Arnaud. Make it happen, goddammit. Make it happen, my dude. So I mean, so far you can still do the same thing on XRP. Like against Bitcoin, you still have chances. But the question is, what's the value of Bitcoin gonna be then? Who the fuck knows, right? So you could potentially do that while Bitcoin is like 20 grand, right? So then you wouldn't exactly make much more money, but you would make more Bitcoins, which you're planning to enter down there anyway. So, you know, having more Bitcoins never hurts. Am I right?
Yeah,
Of course. Yeah, because, you know, Arnaud, you know that Bitcoin is going to go someday, right? High to the sky. Am I right, Arnaud? You know that. Yeah. So, yeah, we do like that Bitcoin for sure. So, yeah, FIFA, as I said, we already talked about Bitcoin, but just to kind of reevaluate it for you simply, this is where we longed it, and this is where we're waiting for sells 45k and 55k. This is our short spots now. So this was our buy zone, one short, oops, not one short, second short. You break it, bull continuation, right? So that's pretty much it. And of course, don't mind BitMEX, because BitMEX went real deep, right? And the other exchanges didn't go that deep. Hi Alex, what's your opinion on ZIL? Check the ZIL USDT. Oh, ZIL, you did me a nice surprise on ZIL. Okay, so finally I found a coin where I wouldn't get stopped. Yeah, boy, finally found it. Well, I wouldn't get stopped on that one, but obviously I would get it around the bottom too. Oh, are you joking me? This went up 100%. Oh, God, I was focusing on wrong coins. I was for sure focusing on wrong coins. Look at that shit, dude. Well, what I'm gonna say is TP right now, man. If you filled it down here, that's your TP right now. You gotta take a profit, man. You gotta take it right now. And then secondary, yep, around here. Secondary around here. Man, look at that. Let me actually check XLM. Oh my god, are you serious, dudes? That's another one that I had a good area on. Another one that I didn't fill. My god, okay, so I definitely missed some good plays today because I wasn't ready. But again, yes, anybody talking about XLM? TP right now. Second TP around 100%. Same shit. Wait, what's the other hot one? Theta, right? Everybody was talking about Theta. Let me see that. Oh, look at that! Oh no, look at that area beneath. Jesus Christ, I'm getting orgasms right here as we speak. What is that? Fuck my life, dude. Now those were great trades. Holy shit, those were great trades. Not gonna lie to you. So yeah, again, TP right now, and then a secondary TP 133% away. I was actually focusing on the wrong ones. I'm not gonna lie, I was focusing on BNB. It would be actually better if I focus on something like this. Wait, actually, how much is BNB for first TP? Okay, 71%. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty good. But no, I'm really curious. What did Matic do? Cosmetic. Oh my gosh, again. Yep, I should have focused on other shit. The BNB is old school. Yep, I didn't exactly follow. I didn't exactly follow through the hype shit. I was stuck in the past. I was focusing on BNB, but I should be focusing on Matic and hotter shit right now. Because you can see, look at that buybacks, bro. Look at that buybacks, bro. And like, you basically double your portfolio, and look at these areas that have been hit, right? Like, first of all, you would have filled it right here, right? That's your first fill spot. You probably wouldn't have gotten a TP, but I guess you would at this point because look how high it went, right? So if you gotten one TP, you would have gotten stopped. And then the second area would just move it down here, bam, look at that, and then it would actually explode it to like 100% almost. So that's pretty good, right? So I was actually maybe, yeah, BNB is not the best network anymore. I guess Matic is. I should have been focused on more better stuff. Oh, Classic David is finally here, Arnaud. Let's see what Classic says. Hello, people. I got liquidated today on what? My main account with all my. What the shit, dude? With all my money, 300k. My margin fraction was fine. I got liquidated on the week. If there's anything I can do. The only thing that didn't get liquidated is a little Bitcoin Cash. I think this. What, dude? How did you. How the heck did you get liquidated, man? Fuck, I thought for you that you were actually one of the best guys. Classic David. Jesus Christ, man. Anyways, DM me on Telegram. Classic, we gotta speak about this, man. Yeah. Yeah, just DM me on Telegram after the stream. We gotta speak a little bit about this, like, yeah, because maybe there's some other stuff. Yeah, I mean, not about donation. Don't worry, I'm not asking for any donations or anything. I'm generally curious, and maybe kind of want to give you some sort of advice, because it's not all grim. You know, you can still make something happen. You know, shit like this happens, but if you get back at it, you can end up above, you know, to be honest. You can end up above and actually overcome this. And I know a couple of people that actually happened something like this, and you know. So let's talk after stream, actually. Yes, Ildon says sorry to hear. Classic. Yeah, me too, man. Very much. VAT is climbing. VAT. Oh my gosh, VAT is climbing. Yep. This one I would have probably gotten stopped, because yeah, I would be chasing this. But if you got it good, my boy. Oh shit, 120. Yeah, but this one extremely overreacted. This one extremely overreacted. Yep, 70% down, right? So I would even gotten stopped on this one. But even though if you would followed it to the next area, you would got it. But the problem is I probably wouldn't have time, because if you look at the minute chart, it's probably happened in like what, span of a couple of minutes, right? Yeah, so I probably wouldn't miss that one. So I'm gonna say like this. But again, the profit take, let me base it off daily. You're on profit right here. Profit take right here, and secondary right above here. Bam. That's here pretty much for VAT. Do you care about Theta and AVAX? Yeah, so Theta we already checked it out, right? Theta we already checked it out, Theodore. So you already know where the profit takes are. What about prom? Prom. Would you go to prom with me or not? Would you? Would you go to prom with me if you were in America or not, please?
Oh yeah, of course, of course.
We would be the best couple there, you know what I'm saying? Winky face. Okay. That's one area that you can buy at. Extremely weak reaction though. Yeah, but I'm gonna say judging from... Yeah, this is the area you can basically fill your position in. Holy shit, it's went down a lot. How much was this? 90% drop. Holy crap. Okay, so actually this is maybe not be such a bad buy, because what I'm expecting is this to bounce to at least this. And look at that. God. Holy shit, I mean, you can make a lot of money on this. Like, this was one of the TPs, and this is one of the TPs. Wait, let me check this one actually. So if you, let's just say you do it like this here. Oh, 87%. This is good trade, man. This is trade that you might not be too late for. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, you tested. So what you would like to do here, go above this, fill this, man. and then take it all the way to first TP. And actually, we'll see next week if this is gonna happen. We'll see next week. Just remind me next week to check it out, you know. So I'm good to it. Classy David, sorry bro, you gave me I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I feel really bad about this, Classy David. You called some really amazing you called some really amazing trades, man. Like a lot of the trades that I've done this bull market were definitely your recommendation, and like Zcash for once, that was beautiful trade. So right now I really do yeah, look at that, right? So it never came to the second TP, but the first TP was still 100%, yeah. And then obviously stop loss. But again, you know, you can see the same buy area was used again. But let me just check Bcash for you, because you requested it, sorry. Wait, what's the... yes, what's the ticker? Got a brain fart there for a moment. Oh yeah, this one, holy shit. So the buy area was very neat, but this going to 2k now, wow. Very hard, to be honest, very hard. I'm actually gonna come back to you at the end of the week for this one. I'm actually gonna, yeah, I'm gonna come back to you at the end of the week for this one, man. So we're gonna speak at the end of the week about this, the Bcash, because I kind of wanna see where the candles are gonna close, and then we'll see where we go from that. Is it a good idea to sell Cardano and buy, like, okay, Yusuf, you went all in into something, right? So you need to, you're kind of gambling as well, you know? Is it good idea? Like I said, Iris is definitely a nice chart. Is it gonna outperform Cardano? Like, that is something I don't know for sure. Like, it's a beautiful chart. It's gonna outperform Cardano. Not sure. Okay, I cannot give you that advice, but I can give you one advice to maybe TP something, because you're definitely gambling at the moment. You know, you're 100% gambling. So yeah. AVAX. Let me see AVAX. AVAX. Yep. Basically, what you need to hold right now is this. You hold right. This is your buy area now, for sure, for certain. I can understand a little bit. And if you hold this, bam, and that's another 40%. That's actually a pretty beautiful chart. That's something you definitely trade off. Yep, that's something you're gonna have to buy more on the top of the box due to this price action right now around here. You know, more on the top of the box. But yeah, that's still possible. That is still possible. Or prom. Again, Yusuf, you don't want to gamble, dude. So what are you gonna do right now? Sell all of the Cardano, just go all in into something else? That is bad strategy, bro. That's exactly what gets you wrecked. You gotta mind your risk. What I would recommend is sell Cardano, not all of it, obviously, and put something in Iris and put something in Prom, and you know, collect some profits, and don't go all in. For God's sake, don't go all in. Stay with classic deep reds. Yeah, okay. That's yeah, pretty much. So yeah, I guess those are all questions, are not? We had, wow, it's been already 50 minutes. So yeah, guys, I mean, pretty much we know the buy areas, we know everything. We know the short areas, short 1, short 2, and buy areas down at 20k. And all I can say, ship it. This is your, again, I'm gonna say knife catch, right or not? Knife catch.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's about it, or not, right? I mean, we can
slowly wrap up this one.
Yeah, if we can slowly wrap this one with. I definitely didn't expect that, right? You know, definitely didn't expect this one to happen with this. So it actually has a little bit of sad ending, because I thought we were all prepared for this a little bit better, you know. But shit. Thank you for watching then, guys. Again, next week I'm gonna try to be on Tuesday, right? I mean, sometimes I have really busy Tuesdays. I'm really starting to regret that I have streams on Tuesdays. A lot of times I have to move it, yeah. Oh yeah, Solana. Actually, let me check Solana. Yeah, why not? Solana is one of the... Oh boy, Solana, now that's a strong reaction. Ooh, it went all the way down to 26 bucks, huh? Damn. But yeah, Solana, that's a good one. That's a profit take right now, man. So that was the first one. 4%. That's the second one. Sent to, yeah. The first profit take right now. And you can actually still go above the top on this one. Yep, you definitely gotta solve this now. And yeah. And then go for the next one at the top. So that's about another 20% you can clutch. So that's actually a good one, yeah. So yeah, pretty much good. So yeah, thank you for joining, guys. Thank you for watching. I guess we will see each other next time, right, Arnaud?
Yep. Next time on Tuesday then. Yeah.
Yep. Okay, take care, guys.
Thank you,
Bye.